Hello, it's day 23, February, anong February ngayon? 24? 23. Anyway, it's day 23 today on our Bugeye restoration project. We're just finishing up the floor pan. Good morning, it's February 24. It's our day 24, no? Day 24, yeah. We're still working on the floor pan, but it's now done, but we are still reinforcing the strength of the floor pan. Let me show you. So this inner running board will replace there. That's the inner tumble, inner running board tumble that you find inside. So this will replace this one. This one. That one. So, good afternoon. Today is our 25th day. It's February 26th. We'll be trying to... It's raining, actually, it's raining. We'll try to cover up this floor panel with what do you call this? Galva coat to prevent oxidation and rust from embedding into it. So we have to clean it first, then we'll paint it later. Do stand by. Okay, so we just had finished putting some Galva coat on the floor pan and the chassis, just to prevent corrosion or rust. It will be sanded again before we finish it up. Next is primer, then paint, but then we still have to work on some little more things out there, so it's just a prevention first for corrosion or rust. Okay, so this is day 25, no? Day 25. See you on the next one. Okay. Hi, good day. It's February 28th. It's day 26 of our bug restoration program. I did swim first for exercise. I've been out for 5 months doing nothing but eating, and I need to burn calories. So later we'll be going to the shop. The shop is just there. I just did swim first. Water is great. Okay, I'll see you in a bit on the shop. Okay, see you. Pool is great. Nice weather. The shop is somewhere there. Okay. So I'll see you guys in a bit. It's day 26, February 28th. Okay, so we're headed back to the shop after a morning swim. There's my shop. Just beside the swimming pool. So this is what will happen. Okay, that one, the inner tumble or inner what do you call that? Running board, inner running board It will be mounted here. Okay. So I replaced this with stainless steel bolt. Nut and bolt. Good morning, it's March 1, day 27 of our Bugeye restoration project. I just went for a quick swim, 1 kilometer swim, daily dose, just to keep me fit. We'll be going to the shop later. And see you guys.